Today, I'll show you how to view completed tasks in Microsoft Planner. First, open Microsoft Planner in your browser, or open your Planner board inside Microsoft Teams. Sign in with the Microsoft account you use for your work or school organization. Now open the plan where you want to see completed tasks. Once your plan opens, look at the task board. If completed tasks are visible, you may see them inside their buckets with a completed status or check mark, but if you cannot see them, they may be hidden by a filter or collapsed section. First, look near the top of the planner board and click Filter. Check if any filters are currently active. If Planner is only showing tasks that are not started or in progress, completed tasks will not appear. To view completed tasks, clear the filter or make sure completed is selected under the progress or status filter. After changing the filter, completed tasks should appear again on your board. Another easy way is to use Group By. At the top of the plan, click Group By, then choose Progress. Planner will organize your tasks into groups such as Not Started, In Progress, and Completed. Now look for the completed group. If it is collapsed, click it to expand the section. You should now see the tasks that have been marked as complete. You can also use the grid view if it is available. Click Grid near the top of the plan. In Grid View, check the progress or status column. If needed, clear filters, so completed tasks are included. This view can make it easier to scan task names, due dates, assigned people, and completion status. If you are using Planner inside Microsoft Teams and you cannot find the completed tasks, try opening the same plan directly in the Planner web app. Sometimes the web version gives you more options and a clearer layout. Also remember that viewing completed tasks does not change them. It only shows the tasks that were already marked as done. If you want to make a completed task active again, open the task and change the progress from completed back to in progress or not started. So, to keep it simple, open your plan, clear any filters, include completed tasks or group tasks by progress, and expand the completed section. And that's how you view completed tasks in Microsoft Planner. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.